I struggled for 8 years in business, and I don't want you to repeat the same mistakes I made. In this video, I will show you why your business might be resisting growth, the misalignments most entrepreneurs miss, and the shift that finally set me free financially, mentally, and spiritually. If you're tired of trial and error and you've been secretly asking, why isn't this working? Then this might be the answer you have been praying for. So for almost 8 years, I was stuck. I was showing up, working very hard, tried different ideas, did different businesses, but still, everything was not just measuring up. And before you conclude, oh, maybe you are the problem, or maybe you didn't upgrade yourself, or maybe you didn't do certain things, trust me, I did almost everything I knew how to do, to be very honest, because I bought books, I attended seminars, I did, I bought courses online, I did a lot of things. In fact, I followed trends, I danced and I entertained people on social media just to get clients. But still. So after trying all these things, I was beginning to conclude that maybe God created some people to be rich, some people to be poor, of which I will discuss this topic in my next video. And I was thinking, maybe it's not just, everybody that can do business. But something stood out for me amidst the struggle. I discovered that I was very talented because there was literally nothing I could not do with my hands. I could make hair, I could fix nails, I could do makeup, I could, sew. There was literally nothing I couldn't do. So where exactly is the issue? So this made me conclude that there was nothing wrong with me, but still I couldn't find a way out. I didn't know then what the issue was, but now I know better. And all those roadblocks were actually signals that were trying to redirect my path to purpose. But I was too busy in the noise. I was too busy in the chase that I could not even hear or see that these are signals. So I just kept banging on closed doors. So now top it up, I was building on broken principles. I call it the upside down business principles. I should actually do a video on this upside down business principles as well, because so many of us are building on broken principles unknowing to us. So if your business is resisting growth, it might actually be a signal that is trying to redirect you back to purpose, or you're probably building on broken principles, which leads me to the misalignment most entrepreneurs miss. So I'll share with you 3 misalignments that I've been able to gather thus far. So the first misalignment is chasing money or money chase. This right here is nobody's fault. We've all been taught to chase money all our lives. So even when you tell someone to sit and say, don't chase money, attract money, let money come to you, let money chase you, they can't comprehend, like, what are you saying? You're telling me not to chase money. You're telling me not to, work for money. So how do I feed? How do I survive? How do I, make a living or earn a living? But have you noticed that the more you chase, the farther it feels like you're going to get it? Because we have this mindset of chasing money, the only questions we ask is, what can I sell? What can I do? Rather than asking, what was I sent to solve on earth? What problem can I solve? And I know this might be tough for some people because everybody is out for survival. Everybody just wants to survive. Nobody is looking out for the next person, like, what's my business? We are all here to survive. We are on this earth to survive. So let everybody carry their cross. But we've gotten it so wrong that that is not why we are here. That is not why God put us on earth. He didn't put us on earth to survive. He didn't put us on earth to just barely make it, like I would say. He put us on earth to restructure it. He put us on earth to solve problems. He put us on earth to establish his kingdom on earth. We are so caught up with the chase that nobody cares about the problem that needs to be solved. Everybody is looking for what they can sell to just earn a living. But I put it to you today, if you solve a problem, money will be the one chasing you down. So you would not have to be the one in the chase for it. The kicker here is your purpose. You can actually create an economy around your purpose that will help you solve a problem, fund your economy, and help you put a lasting end to money chasing or the chase of money. So I did a breakdown of how you can unlock your purpose and create an economy around it in the Hidden Secrets of Wealth. So you might want to get a copy for yourself. So the second misalignment is copying and chasing trends. Nothing will burn you out faster than this, and still you will have nothing to show for it. It's quite unfortunate that this is where so many people are caught up. You see someone doing something you like, you see someone thriving in a particular business, and just because you like the idea of it, or it seems like they are making money from that business, you jump on it without even thinking, without flinching. You put yourself on the same trend with this person and you say, oh, the sky is big for every bird to fly. But don't forget that there are different types of bird in the sky. So why don't you choose to be a different type of bird? Why are you choosing to be a particular type of bird? Why are you choosing to replicate a bird that is already in the sky? Why don't you stand out? Why don't you choose to be different? And this is where purpose comes in. The beauty of your purpose is, it is just you that can do you. Like, you would not have any competition. You don't even have to compare yourself to another person because nobody can do you like you. Even the person you're looking at cannot do you like you. The gift that God put inside of you as your purpose can only be done by you. So if you're looking at what other people are doing, if you're trying to copy and chase trends, you're going to burn yourself out fast because you are not living in your natural self. You are not living in who God has carved you to be on earth. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to discover the purpose why you are here, develop yourself for that purpose, and deploy yourself in that purpose for profit. Like I would always tell you, your purpose is meant to give you profit. But because we've not been taught well enough, so many people don't know that their purpose is actually what will, establish them on earth. That's why they are still caught up with copying trends and, chasing trends. I'm so grateful to God that I have been able to discover my purpose. I'm developing myself in that purpose and I'm deploying myself in that purpose for profit. And my purpose is to help you discover your purpose, show you how to develop and deploy yourself for profit in your purpose. And trust me, nobody can do it the way I would do it. Like, nobody can help you do this the way I would help you do it. This is my gift. This is what I was created for. This is what I was put on here to solve. So I do not have any competition. Like, I cannot even compare myself to anybody because nobody can do it the way I will do it. This is me giving myself 5-star rating in my purpose because I am the only one that can do it like me. Every other person can say, oh, they are a purpose coach, but nobody can do it the way I would do it. Nobody can help you discover your purpose, show you how to develop and deploy yourself for profit in your purpose the way I will do it. It is just my gift. It is what has been wired into my very being even before I arrived on earth. So nobody can do it better than me. So stop chasing trends or copying other people. Discover the purpose for your life, develop yourself for that purpose and deploy yourself in that purpose. And you will be glad you did. Because I don't know if I've said it here, but purpose brings clarity and clarity brings peace. And at the end of the day, everybody just wants to live a peaceful life. Everybody just wants to be at peace with life. And the third misalignment is building without clarity, systems, structure, and strategy. This right here is why most businesses don't make it past 2 years or 5 years. And those that make it past, or those that are still on that path, are sort of struggling their way through because they don't have a defined destination. They are just coasting their way through the business. They are just coasting their way through life. So it's just a hit or miss thing. It's not a definite hit. And I'm not saying this to shade any business or shade anyone. I'm saying this because I've been there. And that was what prompted me to actually become a business analyst because I was just so determined to make my business work. I was just so determined, to get it right in business. And I knew for a fact that the best thing I can do for myself is to, seek for a better knowledge in business and not just the regular, business growth workshop that they do, intensive business growth seminar. No, I've been there. I've done all those things and it did not give me the kind of results I wanted. So I thought to myself that, at this point, I think the best thing for you to do is to learn how to analyze a business properly, is to learn how to dissect, how to forecast, how to, do so many things in business and not just about the growth of the business. Because like I said, we are so caught up with the business growth. We are so caught up with the business sales. We don't lay the right foundations first. And you cannot grow, you cannot scale, you cannot you can't build on faulty foundation. And I'm so grateful that, I was able to sort out for the business analysis knowledge because now it has changed the trajectory of the way I do my business. And I did a video of, I think, the 5 mistakes women make in business. You can look through the page, you'll find it. You should watch it if you're a business owner because it's really going to help you a lot. As far as I'm concerned, if you're in business and you've not done a proper analysis for that business, then you are not doing a business. You are not running a business. What you're doing is just a hobby. Anyway, if you're interested, I can give you a free business analysis template I use with my clients that has helped them triple their clarity, confidence, and cash flow. So just drop in the comment section business analysis template and I'll send you one. Now let's get to the shift that finally set me free mentally, financially, and spiritually. So after almost 8 years of the struggle in the business, I got tired. I was burnt out. I was exhausted mentally, physically, financially, even spiritually. And if you think you will not get tired or you'll not get to the point where you would burn out, just keep living and keep struggling in that business or keep doing that business on struggle mode. You will burn out eventually. So let me say this out openly. Please don't listen to anyone that is advising you to keep going, keep pushing, keep struggling on that business, all in the name of never give up. You are not giving up on life. You are giving up on something that is not working to redirect your path to something that will work. So don't burn yourself out on something that is not working, all in the name of, oh, now we'll give up, fuck up. Please, I think we need to start re-educating ourselves. You're not giving up on life. And if you're in the middle of that heat, I want you to pause right now and ask the right questions, because that was what I did. When I got tired, when I got exhausted, I had to ask God, like, you know what? I am tired. This is burnout. Like, I can't continue to live my life on this struggle. Like, it can't work. And God answered. He redirected my path to purpose. He showed me how to create an economy around my purpose. And now I'm back in business, but structuring from purpose first. And this is what I am helping other women do. To structure from purpose first, to create an economy around your purpose. And ever since I made this shift, trust me, my life has changed for the best. Now I operate from a place of peace. I operate from a place of clarity and not confusion. So this is the result of my alignment with purpose. Now, I launch offers rooted in purpose and not from anxiety. I deploy myself in my purpose and clients find me and pay me. So I don't have to chase them to pay me. I just have to deploy myself in that purpose and attract the right clients and I get paid. So the second thing it did for me is I stopped copying trends or trying to compete with people, because it helped me to realize that I do not have any competition. Like, nobody can do my purpose like me. I am the only one that can do my purpose like me. So the third thing it did for me is now I operate from a place of clarity. I operate from a place of peace, and I have built systems and structures around my purpose. So I don't have to be caught in the chase. I don't have to, chase money. So all I have to do is just to deploy myself in my purpose and help women across the world achieve the same thing. If you're ready to stop building upside down, the same thing that changed it for me after almost 8 years of struggle in business might be what you have been praying for, and that is your path to purpose. So to help you kickstart your journey, I have a free purpose discovery guide for you. If you are interested, just drop in the comments purpose discovery guide and I'll send you one. If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with another intentional soul, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on purpose, wealth, and intentional living. Like I would always say, don't forget to stay very intentional with your actions, and I'll see you in the next video.